Nandito na kami ngayon. Kasama ko ang aking hiwagang madam. Ayan, good afternoon. Nandito na kami ni ate.
All of you, can I know how many of you paid for the workshop?
May workshop ngayon, mababayad.
So this is our
You
house.
paid?
Yes. Ako tapos.
Wala yung kausap ko.
No, we don't guys. Yeah, we need to use the surgical one. You have surgical? Have surgical?
Only this.
Yeah, that. You can use. You have surgical? We have surgical. Yeah. Yeah, that's fine.
It's fine.
You have.
Wala yung kausap ko yung ano. Si ate. Hindi yata pupunta. Doktor kasi ang wala ako. Sakit yan. Ay, ito. Hindi ba ito pwede? Ay, sige na, sir. Can I? Yeah. Thank you. Thanks. Tapos pala may sponge na dinala ko yung nasa banyo lang. Itatapon lang din yan. Magkano? 1 real? Siya na pala, dumaan na ako kung alam ko yung siya. Sir, you did not buy, you have extra like this?
No. Anyone have extra syringe?
So we can buy extra.
Syringe. You can do.
Bayaran mo. Oo, magkano, te? Mag-selling ka na lang. Thank you, te. So, yun yung mga classmates. Mga nakahayon. Ang gaganda ng mga kaklase ko. Hi ka muna, te. Hello. Hello na aking sir. Start na kami, guys. Ano ba gagawin namin dito? So, kaya tato sa puwit.
Online students, all of you, please keep your minds mute, right? So guys, now today will be a phlebotomy training. And those who are going to do the training, you have to have an idea. It's all about how you draw blood from the patient, right? And this will be a basic workshop training. And if you like to go in detail about the training, we have a special course for that also. You can enroll for the course. And we will get a discount for you. You can discuss with the counselors, and if you get the certificate, I will give you a discount for you. Okay?
This is the difference workshops.
Yeah, this is a different, but it's under phlebotomy training. Right? If you want to go more in the training, you can get the course done. Where we will provide you a discount for the course also. Right? From our, if you only attend the workshop, we will give you discount. Okay? So I will show you now the video of how the phlebotomy training goes on.
Close. Clear gas. Waiting for screen 3 full stop.
What she's very carefully, right? Sorry.
So normally we want 1 cc, 2 cc and 3 cc. Right? Syringe. So depending on the fluid, we will be using the syringe. And also there are angles. I will be teaching you about the angles also, how you have to handle in the syringe. Right? So apart from that, you have to use a cotton wool to wipe the base and after you draw the line. Secondly, we will
Dahil ikaw lang nakikita ko dito sa online. Seryoso ka. Dito na ako sa room. Ang dami namin sila classmate. Wala ako sisi. So, yan ang bilang ng classmate.
Just a classically.
Ito yun.
Yeah, you have to do it now. No, because this one is dangerous, no? You need to have a lot of practice. I will teach you, but not now. You have to do a lot of training. Yeah. You want here? No. We are not allowed to do that.
May gusto lang naman bukan na sabi niya, ayaw ko umaya dahil danger.
Yeah, you will get the course. It's a 2-month program. It's only
Dito mo kasi ganun kadali kapag napanood mo.
workshop is you will get the knowledge and you will have some experience about this.
Oo,
And you will
kailangan.
certificate for the
Oh my
workshop.
God. Tapos dito. Ako pa naman mahirap. Mahirap ako kuha nun eh.
You want to take the course? We give you
Mataba
discount.
ako, pero ang hirap nila
I
madetect.
will ask you.
Di ba, ginaganon-ganon pa nila kapag kukuha na ka ng ano. Minsan nga, dalawa pa eh. Nakakatakot. Volunteer.
No, because this is medical course. You cannot do without training.
Yeah.
You will go to jail if you make mistake. And they will cancel my license. It's not like
Why?
cooking food. If you make
They're thinking like a
you can
chicken.
throw. When you
Chicken.
make mistake, patient will die. Dangerous.
Kaya sabi niya, ano,
You have to know how to put the
Tsaka kailangan mo
seeds,
talaga
how
pag-aralan
to
mo
hold the
talaga,
vein,
nakapokus ka.
how to put the
ang ito kasi
what do you
parang
call it,
alam natin
turnitin, everything. This is
Isip ko
not
na,
one day
kaya
practice.
tayo hinarap kasi matatakot.
hindi magbigay ng
If you finish this one, you can do one day.
yung knowledge magbigay ng
Tapos
sa
No, even you try, you cannot. Because this one is not like baking cake and cooking rice. No. I am to get license. I do how many training? 6 months I got training. 2 months I failed. because
So
they
yan
fail
guys,
me. It's wrong.
hindi namin pwedeng gawin sa aming mga
Because this
sarili
is
kasi
life,
talagang
not robot.
Diba?
They would complain to you, you will go in the jail lifelong.
Yes, of course.
You think 1 week is enough? No, not 1 week. I don't think you can learn in 1 week. This is very difficult. This is not like cleaning, helping the patient. This is vein. If you break the needle inside the vein, halas. Permanent inside the person. That's why it takes time.
Yaman natin, sample, ito na lang oh.
That's why I have to bring the sponge. But
Ito
I
na,
will
pag-practice
show
na.
real. If you want to see real, right? Someone who will give blood.
Oh, volunteer. Volunteer
I'm not take the blood now because I will not give it to you, but you will see how I'm doing it. Because
willing talaga
you
sa
know,
atin.
make mistake, this is mistake. No?
Ambient mode.
Like that if something happens to
1511.
yeah, really. Okay.
So proud of you ate ha, willing ka talaga. Willing ka masaktan.
So that's why I know to what I want.
Ano, kalkalin? Kalkalin yung ugat?
She's waiting. So what
You want to try others or you want me to try on you?
No, I want to.
She want to try to yourself.
You want to try?
Okay.
No, the little problem. My license are back.
Excited si ate. Ayan guys.
Yeah, but
Ayan si ate.
it's not one day class. You need to learn the angle is important. Okay, that's right. Okay, guys. We always keep 2 fingers below the syringe, right? Below this, before that, now you open the packet, right?
Yeah.
Next thing you have to do is check the syringe if this is working or not, right? So how do you check the syringe? Always pull and close. Pull and close 3 times and check if this is working without any struck. Because this is man-made things. Sometimes it can be damaged, it can be not working. So then after you put inside, if this is not working, it's a problem, right?
So you
After
need to check
checking the
first.
barrel, check the needle. How do you check the needle? Focus only needle and check if the needle is straight.
Oh.
Okay? So how do you open the needle is not from here. Hold it the tip and pull. Right? And then check the needle properly. Okay, this is safe to use. And then difficult for me, right? Okay, now
That's
you
why I
need to
come
open the needle and you have to check. Now if it's online students, you have to bear with me because I cannot do. There are physical students also and they also have to learn. Right? So and then close this needle and keep it aside. Because you know if you open and keep this one, it can damage and you know it might get contaminated or it can break. So don't keep it open, just keep it aside and clean the patient's hands with the what? Alcohol wipes. If you have a wipe, you can use a wipe, you can use a cotton ball, dip it with alcohol and wipe the patient nerve. Now for example, if you are going to take blood from here, wipe only this one, not the whole hand, only the relevant place. And then allow it to dry for 2 to 3 seconds. Because if you put this with the alcohol, the blood will get contaminated again with the alcohol. Then you can't get a proper result. Because some alcohols, it takes time to dry. It's better to use 70% to 80% alcohol. It dries quickly. You know, perfume alcohol, it takes a minute to dry.
Yes.
Because it contains CFC. But pure alcohol, sometimes you take for cleaning the tables, the 70% alcohol or 80% alcohol will dry soon. So 2 to 3 seconds is more than enough, right? Then you inject, before you inject, remember, before you place this on the patient's hand, you have to remember to keep your positions, right? Keep 2 fingers like this. Not this finger is not here. not in this, because this one can break. So you see, can be removed easily. See, it's coming out.
Yeah, like
So if you
this.
keep like that, it's dangerous. Keep this one here and the other finger on the barrel, right? These two places, right? And then this finger over the black barrel. Only after you put the syringe inside the nerve, you remove this one to check the blood coming from the barrel. Okay? You understand?
Yes. Just
Understand?
put here.
Now, if you keep this one on the skin, you can press the skin down with the finger pressure. If you press the skin down, the nerve comes up. It's visible. Now, see, for example, if I want to check this nerve, if I press this one, my nerve is coming up. Can you see the nerve? Then it's easy for you to put the syringe. You get it? Yeah, fine. I will show. Now, for example, you can see, yeah, this is the nerve. Can you see the nerve? Can you touch it? So, this is my nerve. So, I will keep this hand here and slowly insert the syringe. For example, if this is my syringe, I will keep my hand here and put like this. Now, I have training, no, so I am just going to only use this one because I know to control. If you don't keep the hand, this needle will go too much inside the vein. Yeah, and then what happens is you will get scared. You become, oh, what can I do now? The needle is inside. No. To control that only you use the hands to keep it practiced. Okay? Right. Now all of you,
She wants.
all of you need to practice this one in the sponsor, not in the hands. Maybe you want to send me to jail.
Only here.
Close this now, only these two. Remember, hold, control. Hold, control.
Yung parang ganito ba? Parang iyan.
Now, practice on the sponge, my dear. Imagine this one is nerve. Okay, I will teach you.
Mahirap
Excuse me,
kasi
label spray.
Kaya ganon.
Now, for example, this is your nerve. Okay. So now, before I used to test this one, first I have to open this one and check everything is. You checked it, right? Yeah. Right. So then, I will remove this one and keep my hands here. And this is the nerve, no? So I will press the nerve. From here, I will put little. Can you see? It's visible. If you put like this, can you see?
Mga nakikita lang natin sa TikTok. Ngayon kasama natin. Mas magbablog-blog tayo kunwari. Hello, from Canada.
Kasi may mga vein na tawag doon na malalim.
Pasok ka na kahit tapos ka na.
Don't press too much because the will damage to the teeth.
Mama, hindi ka mama?
Tuloy-tuloy na.
Others who is trying the next one. Okay, but you need to be strong.
So yan, ate, see you in Canada. Mali mo, no? Sa Canada pala tayo. Advanced thinking.
Understood, guys?
Saan ka ba nagtatrabaho?
All clear, right?
Saan? Ayun sila ate. Saan na ba yun? Hi! Tayo mga ate. So, uwian na guys. Chari-chari na. So, yun ang aming circle. At mamimit yung mga TikToker mamaya. Makikita natin. Another kapag. Magugulat ka, te. Add mo na lang ako. kationyedo.com. Finally, na-meet ko si Ma'am Kian. Yung kinukulit ko. So, na-meet na namin ang mga TikToker, guys. So, ayun ang mga TikToker. Dito pala sila nagla-live. So, ayun lang. See you ba din? So, ayan. Dito tayo sa legit na. Sige po kami. Sila at yun. Ma'am TikTok. Dito sila na nagla-live. So ngayon, napunta na natin ang kanilang area. So, ayun yung aming klase. Tapos na ang aming klase, guys. At inintay ko na lang yung uniform ni Mama and ID. So next time, naka-uniform na tayo. At yun yung style ng ating uniform. So, ayun. Sabi ko. Saya.
Patapos ka na?
Oo daw, August. And si Ate. Caregiver ka rin?
Tapos na. International ko.
Wow! Ito na pala yun.
Yung international. Tapos yung local ko, andun din.
Ito na pala. Kailan ka natapos, te?
Noong February.
February. So, yan guys. Sinintay na lang natin si Amo. Sa Chorocla Park. So, ito yung building ng school namin. Dito sa building number 25. So, ayan guys, yung plaka. Sinintay na lang si Amo. Si Amo. So, yun ba? Ang init. Dito muna tayo. Chararan! Nandito na tayo sa bahay guys. At nakuha na natin ang ating ID. At syempre, ang ating uniform. So, ready na tayo for next job. At syempre, meron tayong pabayos na madam. Thank you so much for my wonderful madam. Gusto ka na. So, susunod. Ready na tayo guys. Ito na bago natin yung top ng buhay. So, ito na guys. Sarap lang. So, ayan yung name ng ating school. Iba talaga pag si Lord ang kumilo. So, ang dami natin mga minute. Makaklase ko lang. yung masasabi ko. Thank you Lord. Dahil binigyan mo ko ng mga among magja-jait. So, God bless. Bye.